Hi guys, it's me Esther Jiahui. Welcome back. I've been seeing this neon light sign everywhere and I also want one in my room. However, I feel they are quite expensive, so I found this magical EL wire which glows exactly like the neon sign. So why not just DIY them at so much cheaper? These are the materials you will need: plywood, EL wire, glue gun, and a drill. Now you have all your materials ready, let's get started! This light works on 2 AA batteries and have a button to control the blink. I have already pre-drawn this design on my plywood because this design reminds me to just be myself. And I also want to take this time to remind you guys that you are beautiful for who you are. You! For the drilling, you need a little planning. For example, for my BE, mark the X's on the beginning and the end of the wavy line. As for my YOU, my Y will require 4 X's since it is unconnected. As for my O and U, the X's are marked at the entrance and the exit. This will make the entire sign looks cleaner. Alright, so now you got the hang of it, let's move on a little faster. For this project, I'll be using this drill bit which is 2.5 mm. Since everything is ready, let's start drilling. For the X's which we have marked previously, this is for us to drill the holes. Now you'll need to trace the wires onto the board. The trick for this is to really do it slowly and add glue onto each of the bends. Press the wires down for around 5 seconds and let the glue dry. I'm still looking for a glue which dries within seconds and also doesn't have that lumpy silicone thing just like the glue gun. Comment down below if you have any recommendations, okay? This will take a little time, so chillax and watch some Netflix while doing this. Once you're done, snap off the last part of the wire and hot glue them onto the board. Tada! I really love these coats. Isn't it beautiful? And also make a sparkle on, because I want to remind everyone to be yourself and continue to inspire people around you. Isn't this beautiful? Okay, I think I say beautiful too many times, but I love it so much. This is the end of this episode. Do remember to subscribe to me if you want to watch future DIY videos, and also give me a big fat thumbs up if you enjoyed my video today. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye!